Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 6 of our playlist. Our playlist name is HTML CSS. Okay, so here we are learning about HTML attribute. In previous video, we have discussed a theory about HTML attribute. Okay, so what is attribute? Which is provide additional information about HTML tag. Suppose here style is what? Another an attribute which is providing additional information about this HTML tag. Okay, so we have different types of attributes like style, ID is another attribute, and class is another attribute, title is another attribute. Okay, and we can give this attribute to the different tag as well or element as well. We have discussed in previous video. Now in this video we will implement these attributes using coding. Okay, so we will understand it by coding. So let me open my VS Code. Okay, so we will use VS Code here. So you will go to the open folder, click on open folder, and you have to go to your location where you want to create your HTML file. So I'll go in full stack Python UI module, right? And inside this I have this HTML CSS, and I'll select this code folder and I will start code here. Okay, so here is my folder opened here. So I'll create one index.html. Okay, so inside the index.html we will create the basic structure of HTML. So how we will create? Just press shift plus 1. Okay, so you will get the basic template of HTML, right? So here we will see what is the mean of attribute. So for example, if I'm writing here h1, so when I write h1, so h1, this one is h1 open tag and this one is closing tag, right? And between this open and closing tag we can write anything. Okay, so let me write like hello YouTube, right? Okay, so how can I check my output? Okay, either you can copy path and you can go to your browser and you can paste this path. Okay, so your output is coming. This is one way. Okay, you can paste your path. This is one way. Another way is you can download one extension which is live server. Okay, this live server you can download it. You can download, and this live server provided by the Microsoft. So you can download it easily by here. It is already downloaded, that's why it is showing uninstall, otherwise it will show you install. Okay, so when you successfully download it, you will see here go live button. Okay, if go live button is not there, right click and you will see open with live server. So when you open it with live server, so your output will come. Okay, right. So what's the mean of attribute? Okay, what's the use of attributes? Let's understand now. For example, I'm writing here style. Okay, so style is one attribute which will provide additional information about this tag, or we can say it will provide additional information to this h1 tag. Suppose I'm writing here color. Okay, and red. Now what is this color and what is red? Okay, color is what? CSS property, and this is value. Red is what? Value associated with color property, right? So let's check what is the output. What's the output is of it? So let me open browser and refresh it. Okay, can you see the color is changing? Okay, our color is changing because we are using style attribute, right? For example, let me write another which is s2. Okay, let me write here hello world. Okay, so for example, if I'm writing here style, okay, and background color I'm saying yellow. Okay, so here style is what? An attribute. Background color is property which is belongs to CSS. Okay, we will discuss about CSS as well in detail, don't worry about it. So background color is property and yellow is the value of this background color property. Okay, and this is belongs to CSS. This is a part of CSS. Okay, so style is what? Attribute. So with the help of style attribute we can apply CSS, and this one is known as inline CSS. We will discuss in detail. Okay, so let me open the page so you can see here background color is coming, right? Suppose I want to create one tag which is anchor tag. Okay, so here I'm writing go to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm writing here go to my YouTube channel. So let's open it. So it is coming like this. So when I click on this, nothing is happening. So I want like when I click on this, so my YouTube channel should come. So what I will do first, I will open new tab and I will search here YouTube. Okay, then I'll go to my channel. Okay, so I'll copy this link. Can you see my channel URL? So I'll copy this my channel URL. Okay, how can I copy? Just select all and you can copy it. Okay, once you copied it, go to your VS Code in href. href is an attribute. Here inside the href attribute, we can mention that copied link. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel link. So now go to your web page. Okay, here is our HTML web page. So when I click on this, go to my YouTube channel. Let me close this first. So when I click here, so what will happen? It will open my YouTube channel, right? Suppose I want don't okay, so let me create another anchor tag. Okay, so let me create another anchor tag. Now I want to say open my Python playlist. Okay, so let's check whether it is opening my Python playlist or not. Okay, so this is coming like in single line. So if you want to break the line, so what you will do, you will write here br tag. Okay, br means break row. So it is used to break the line. So when I clicking on open Python playlist, so it is not opening my Python playlist. So how can I open my Python playlist? So let me go to my YouTube channel first. Okay, so I will click on playlist, right? And I'll click on view full playlist. Okay, so this URL, now this URL I'll copy, or what I will do, I'll click on share. I'll copy this URL of my playlist particularly. So here I can mention in href, right? So when I click on this, okay, so let me go back. Okay, so here is my page. When I click on this open Python playlist, okay, so what it will happen, it will directly open my Python playlist. See, this Python playlist is coming. Okay, so this is complete playlist of basic Python as well as advanced Python along with project. Okay, but I want when I click on this, it should go on another tab. See, it is opening on the same tab, but I want like it should open to another tab, means new tab. So how can I do this? So after this link, you will give another attribute which is target. Okay, target is another attribute. Here you can mention blank underscore blank. Okay, so target is also another attribute. So when I click on my Python, open Python playlist, so it will open to the new tab. Okay, so but when I click on go to my channel, it is opening on the same page. But I want to say like don't open it on same page, open it into another page. Okay, jump to another page. So what I will write after href attribute, I will write target. Okay, target to the blank page, blank tab we can say, right? So when I click on go to my YouTube channel, it will open into another tab. Okay, so like that we can use. Okay, suppose I want to write. Okay, so let me write here br is for break line. So I'm writing here like what I want to write, like image. I want to display my image. So here see, src is one attribute, alt is also an attribute. Okay, so I want to mention my image. So how can I mention? So for example, on YouTube channel, okay, suppose I click here and I'll copy image address. Copy image address. So I copied my image address. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go to the src and I will mention that image address. Okay, so I'll mention my image address. Now check to the document. So my image is also coming, right? So image is also coming. But suppose I don't want like this. I want when I click on open image, so it should come. Okay, so I will write here anchor tag, a tag, and here I will write text open image. Okay, so inside the open image, I will mention this image link, right? Image link I will mention like this, and I will say target it to the blank page, right? So go to your document and click on open image. So it will open image like this. Okay, so like this also you can use. So hope you are getting what's the mean of attributes, how we can use attributes. Okay, so this img is what? img is what? Img is a tag, or we can say element. Src is attribute, and ALT is also an attribute. Suppose what is the use of ALT? So for example, you can display a message using ALT like not found. Okay, suppose I write here in ALT not found. So what will happen? Let me go to the browser. Can you see not found? No, I'm not able to see not found. So what I will do, let me intentionally delete something. For example, I'm deleting 8 here. Okay, I'm deleting path. Okay, image address, I'm just deleting few like characters. So now see what it is showing now. It is showing not found. Okay, because I delete my address. So when your image will not come, then this alt message will display. Okay, so what is alt message? Not found. Okay, if you want to give any message, it will display any message, but it will display only when your image not found. Okay, suppose where I deleted 8. Okay, so here 8 is there now. Okay, so let me write found, not found. So not found will display or not. Now not found will not display because my image is displaying. If my image will not display, if I delete any character, so now it will say not found. So like that we can use. So I hope guys you are getting it. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.